all the time, but I'm not feeling, 'cause you're not by my side. And as I arrived at what I saw you leaving, carrying your shoes, decided the once again I was just dreaming. I bumped into you. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls until my message you replied. Why don't you call me when I hide? Why don't you call me when you hide? Somewhere darker, talking the same shit. I need a partner. Well, are you out tonight? It's harder and harder to get you to listen. More I get through the gears, incapable of making all right decisions. I have the bad ideas.